Welcome back to Sadler of Nails. So I'm sure you've been seeing Valentine's Day's nails all over your feeds, and here's some more. Today we're doing a heart pattern, but we're going to make them textured. Now the base color I'm using is Naughty Me by Madam Glam, and I have used this before in previous videos. I think it's my favorite pink polish at the moment. It's just this gorgeous hollow pigment in like a fuchsia jelly polish. It's absolutely gorgeous. The first coat you could see was pretty sheer, so now I'm putting down the second coat, which you can see is still a bit sheer. So I always do 3 coats of polish for my press-on nails. Number 1, it just adds a little bit of extra strength, and it just makes sure that the color is fully opaque. It doesn't matter what color I'm using. I usually always do 3 coats. So after the base color, we're going to come in with our no wipe top coat, and I am using Madam Glam this time because I got another one. I stopped using it because I ran out. Now I do still love my Ugly Duckling top coat, but for this video I figured I will use all Madam Glam products. So after you put down your no wipe top coat, we are going to use Madam Glam's gel paint in pink, which is this gorgeous baby pink, to paint on the heart pattern. And I'm going to be using their long fine liner brush. Now you guys can use my code BeckyTK40 at Madam Glam to get 40% off all their products. Now it does only work on items that are not already on sale, so just keep that in mind. So first I used my dotting tool, the largest dotting tool I have, to dot in 2 dots to make the little humps of the heart. This is the easiest way I've found to paint a heart. And then I'm just going to pull down from those dots to make the point of the heart. And then you're basically just going to paint it in. Take your time. This is real time right now. Later on, I do speed it up so that you don't get bored. I mean, it's the same thing over and over again. We're just painting hearts. What I find most difficult with this is trying to fit the hearts into a pattern, but don't get too overwhelmed by that. Just kind of go with the flow. I find when I go with the flow of things, my art works out a lot better than when I think too hard, I guess. Just have fun. That's all I have to say, is just have fun when you're doing it, and don't think too hard. So now I'm just dotting in 2 more hearts. Now I do apologize, my camera or my phone, I don't know, it messed up, so it didn't get me painting those 2 hearts, but we did capture the rest, so just keep watching. I think you get the point. Just do 2 dots and then use your fine liner brush to pull down into the point and fill it in. Now, I do want to add that I have not cured this at all yet. All those hearts still do have wet gel paint on them, and you can just see how perfect this gel paint is. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't run, it just stays put. Like, you can work with this forever and it won't mess up on you. I absolutely love their gel paints. If you're gonna get anything from Madam Glam, get their brushes and their gel paints, and I would get the entire collection. You honestly get the staple colors, and you can mix the primary colors together to get basically any color you need. So I would definitely recommend the full collection of their gel paints. But if you are just, in the market for a couple, get the typical white and black, and then I would also get the silver and the gold gel paint for accents. So yeah, we're just filling in these hearts, keeping the gel wet, because we are going to be doing the sweater effect, the texture to make the textured look, and you do need to keep the gel wet in order to do that. And I also want to add that these gel paints, when they cure to a shine. They don't have a dispersion layer. So you could also do like a matte base and then paint in the hearts and just cure it. And then the hearts will remain glossy while your base is matte. I think that would be another really awesome look too. So experiment with them, play around. They're really awesome. The cure time on these is a full 60 seconds in an LED, and it's probably 3 minutes in a UV. Does anyone still use a UV light? Comment down below if you're still using a UV light. So yeah, we're almost done here. You could see I'm just kind of fitting in the hearts wherever I see, and I'm trying my best to keep all the hearts the same size. I have seen some people do this pattern where, you know, some hearts are a lot smaller and some are bigger. I prefer it when all the hearts are the same size, but you do whatever you like. Don't take what I say to heart, please. To heart, I didn't even mean that pun. Yeah, do what you want. This isn't set in stone. What I like is what I like, and what you like is what you like. So after we're done painting in the hearts, while the gel is still wet, I'm just putting my little pot away there. And after, we are going to come in with some clear acrylic powder. This is dip acrylic. Dip is acrylic, so you can use dip. I just suggest making sure that it is clear, because then you can use it over any color. Now, if you have like a baby pink acrylic that matches the color that I used for the hearts, like I could use that. I don't have a wide range of acrylic colors because I mainly use gel, so I would just suggest using clear acrylic powder, and then your color will shine through. And then after you have cured, brush off the excess. I like to use my little fan brush. And then there you have your really awesome textured heart pattern over pink holographic. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.